Welcome once again. Today we will explore the concept of taboo in Igbo societies. In the rich cultural tapestry of the Igbo people, the pursuit of harmony and social cohesion is paramount. For centuries, this harmony has been guarded by sacred rules, taboos and abominations that govern society and the cosmos. These prohibitions, passed down through generations, serve as a moral compass, ensuring balance between man, nature, and the divine. Taboos are not just social norms, they are a divine mandate. They are believed to maintain cosmic order. In Igbo tradition, breaking a taboo is seen as a sin against the earth goddess, Ala, who is the protector of morality and harmony. The consequences of such violations can be severe: sickness, famine, chaos, even death. These taboos can be classified into different categories. General taboos, specific taboos. General taboos in Igbo culture include serious offenses such as theft, murder, incest, disobedience to community leadership, and the destruction of farm crops before harvest. These offenses are considered egregious violations of the social order and are seen as attacks on the very fabric of Igbo society. Specific taboos also exist for men, women, and children in Igbo society. For instance, men are prohibited from engaging in certain behaviors, including accepting or offering bribes to influence judgments, engaging in intimate relationships with a widow who has not been ritually released from widowhood by the Umuada, consuming food prepared by a menstruating woman. For women, there are taboos on extramarital sex, cooking at night, climbing certain sacred trees like the raffia palm, kola nut trees. For children in Igbo culture, certain behaviors are considered taboo, including discussing or making references to their parents' private parts, consuming eggs, and a host of others aimed at ensuring that they don't steal and are always of good behavior. There are taboos considered minor, primarily those applicable to children, which carry less severe consequences. Examples of such infractions include lying and taking meat from the pot. To deter violators, cautioning and minor punishments are typically administered. Each of these taboos serves to uphold the moral order, social cohesion, ensuring that respect and dignity are preserved within the family and the community. When these sacred laws are breached, the consequences are often severe. The violator disrupts the balance and harmony of the community, incurring not only the disapproval of the living, but also the wrath of the divine spirits. This is not merely a social breach, it's a transgression against the gods themselves, causing a rift in the cosmos. Reconciliation, however, is possible through a purification rite known as Igbo Aru by a Dibia, a revered spiritual healer and priest, performs the requisite rituals to facilitate atonement. These rituals, which may encompass sacrifices, prayers, and other sacred acts, aim to appease the gods, restore cosmic balance, and purify the offender. Ultimately, the goal of Igbo Aru is to heal the rift between the individual, the earth goddess, and the divine spirits, thereby reinstating harmony and equilibrium. Observing these taboos is not just a matter of tradition. It's a way of life that ensures peace, progress, and prosperity. When these sacred laws are followed, the community flourishes, bringing peace and abundance to all. In Igbo society, every action has its consequences. Through reverence for the sacred and the adherence to taboos, harmony between the living and the divine is achieved, restoring balance and securing the peace of the universe itself. Let's hear what are still considered taboos in your community in the comment.